Was I ready now? Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark hair, through the long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. In an itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creak crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights where twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pipe pop and the wind dark stops, but the bear snores on. Two glow eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare pops in. Who? Mouse says, "Hey, hare, long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips where slurps. Hare hurts, big burps, but the bear snores on. A braggart, I don't know how to say that, scuttles by, sniffs at the air. I smell yummy nuts, perhaps we can share. I brought honey nuts, Bengars says with a grin, let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chop, crunch, but the bear snores on. A goofer and a mole tumble up through the floor, then a wren, a raven flutter through the door. Mole mutters, what a night, what a storm, twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet, they twitter, they chat, they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his own lair. Hare stalks the fire, mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper flick makes the bear. He blows, he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up, bear growls and snores, bear roars and then he rumbles, bear jumps and he stomps, bear growls and he grumbles. You snuck in my lair, but you all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he howls and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't freak, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Bear glows, he signs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the lusty night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear